To prepare the mung bean noodles, we have to submerge them in boiling water and wait for 10 minutes. Remember to remove the string that ties up the noodles because the string definitely is not eatable. Remember to use boiling water instead of room temperature water because the noodle will get different texture. Then we will use a pair of scissors to cut the noodles. Then they will be easier to handle. To chop the garlic cloves, we will smash them and then we will chop them in one way. Then we will change the direction to finely mince them again. And then we will put the garlic cloves aside with the rest of the chopped vegetables.